Here's how to replace the tips of these, the actual rubber stylus part of it. So you can just pop this off. They just tear off really easy. I've already torn this one off right here. And then you want to unscrew this piece of metal and then take the new cap right here, slip it on there. Really simple to do. And then just screw this metal piece back on. And just like that, you can replace the tips whenever they wear out or whenever you want a new one. And it comes with a bunch of extra tips. So really handy and useful, very easy to swap them out. And all of these are super fun colors. You got this little clip right here, so you can clip it onto a backpack, clothing, pocket, whatever it may be. So solid little styluses right here. There's some that are definitely longer. These are a little bit shorter. They're not mini, but they're definitely like a little bit shorter than some other ones I've used. So, and they work great. I think you'll be really happy with these, especially because of how easy it is to swap out the tips.